With next topic, electric potential. So here as we all know that the force between two charge F vector is equals to q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into ar unit vector. Okay, so this is a force equation between two charge. And what is the electric field? Electric field intensity is equals to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into ar. Okay, so to understand the concept regarding the potential, okay, so first of all we will discuss about suppose that the two charge are present, then what happens? Suppose how to consider this one is a q1 charge. Okay, so suppose the charge q1 is present here. Okay, we have to just consider the charge q1 is present here. Okay, and this is a very big charge. Okay, this is a plus q1. Okay, and as we know that this is a positive charge, so it generates a electric field in outward direction. Okay, so this is the electric field due to the q1 charge. Fine. Now next charge, very small charge q2 charge is present at something very long distance. Okay, so this is plus q2 and this charge is a very small charge. Now charge q2 wants to move from this point, suppose this point a, to inside the field of charge q1b. That means charge q2 is move in this direction. Charge q2 wants to move in this direction. Okay, so as these both charge are positive, so there is a repulsion force between these two charge, but charge q2 wants to move in this direction from point a to point b, so there is a repulsive force. Okay, so charge q2 needs some energy to move from point a to point b. Why it needs some energy? Because actually it do works in the opposite direction of electric field of the first charge. Okay, so actually it is known as a potential. The potential, that means the work done by the charge. How much work is done? Okay, potential means it is called as work done by this charge. Okay, it is called as the potential. Okay, so potential, so it is known as a electric potential. So electric potential, that means the work done by this charge Q2. It is known as the electric potential, and it's a negative. Why it is negative? Because the energy is wasted. Okay, because charge q2 is moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so it needs some energy to move from point a to point b. Fine. Okay, so here in a as we know that in a general definition we can write the work done by the charge, which is w, is nothing but, as we know that what is work? Work is force into displacement. Work means force into the displacement. Okay, so as we know that force is a vector quantity. Okay, so force F into displacement means from to travel from point A to point B. Okay, so suppose this distance is L. Okay, so F into dl. Okay, now as I have drawn here this blue path, but the path may be anything. Okay, ऐसा भी पाथ हो सकता है. ओके, या फिर कुछ ऐसा भी पाथ हो सकता है. तो सो एक्चुअली path is in any random shape. Okay, so here just we have to consider point A and point B, and then after we have to consider the length of that path. Okay, fine. So here I will just consider point A is something here and point B is here, and charge is moved from point A to point B in this direction, and total path length is capital L. Okay, so at each and every point on the path, this is a direction. Okay, so this red color is indicate the direction of movement of my point at each and every point. Okay, so I have to divide this path into a very small segment, equal small segment. Okay, so work done by charge q2 to move from position A to position B. Okay, so there is a differential work dw. Okay, suppose I have to divided this path into a smaller path, delta L. Okay, there are so n number of small paths are present, so I can write in this way: L is equals to n into delta L. I can write in this way also. Okay, so dW is equals to differential work. dW is equals to F vector dot dl vector. Delta L means is a dl vector. Okay, so dw, what is F? F is a force due to the charge q1, so force in the negative direction, so this minus qe into dl. Why to take the negative direction? Because charge q2 moves in the opposite direction. Okay, so total work done, W is minus Q integration from point A to point B, from point A to point B, E into dl. Okay, so work done by charge W by Q is minus integration from point A to point B, E into dl. Okay, so actually W by Q is nothing but work done by charge, and it is known as potential, and potential is represented using capital V. So capital V is minus integration from point A to B, E into dl. Okay, so this is the equation of potential. Okay, so here we have to just take a reference point, point A and point B. Suppose point A is present at the infinity, so in that case it is minus integration infinity to point A, E into dl. So under which case the potential is maximum. Okay, so we can try this equation. Okay, E into dl in this way also, it's a dot product, so it is E into dl cos theta. Okay, so under which case the potential is maximum when theta is 0. Okay, so when theta is equals to 0, then we can say that the potential is maximum. Okay, so this is all about the electric potential.